1st of May, 2023. Fragrance Creators names Dan Selechnik as new Director, Regulatory Science. Fragrance Creators, the trade association representing the majority of fragrance manufacturing in North America, has named Dan Selechnik, Ph.D, as its new Director, Regulatory Affairs. Selechnik will oversee the association's regulatory science programs, including its work on policy and regulatory actions, working to ensure that the fragrance industry's science and safety underpin all that the association does. Dan will assume the role on the 20th of June, 2023.